crossed the line in 13th or 14th place.
Just made it over the line.
So
Pushed it over the line.
has he actually got over? Yes, he has. No, yes, he has. 13th place. Well done, Dovizioso. Marc Marquez totally unaware of the drama behind him.
Thomas Maria Hondo's getting a bit of a habit of late drama, isn't it? That was unbelievable. I mean, Andrea Iannone, another bit of explaining to do in that factory Ducati garage tonight, because it's a cardinal sin, isn't it, to wipe out your teammate.
I mean, okay, he wanted to finish in second place, but they're both on the podium, weren't they? Great ride by Marc Marquez, though. Right back at it. Honda are back at it. The championship now is finally poised. The other big news, Jorge Lorenzo crashing out. Valentino Rossi in second place. Eugene Lafferty, the Irish rider, in fourth place on that Aspar Ducati. Flag to flag. We don't want them every week, but boy, do they produce some unbelievable. Here we go. Incident involving Andrea Dovizioso and Andrea Iannone currently under investigation. I really can't believe Andrea Dovizioso had anything to do with that particular incident.
No, without being too critical of Andrea Iannone, you're quite right, Nick, there was a second place there, but that was way, way over ambitious. Skitting out your teammate at the last corner as well. That's not going to go down at all well with Eugene Lee. There's Eugene Lafferty, the top non-factory rider. He can't believe it. He's in fourth place. He's in part